In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave Workspace Trello. Before we start, make sure you're signed into Trello on your desktop browser and that you've selected the workspace you want to leave. You can switch workspaces from the left sidebar or the workspace switcher at the top if you're in a different one. Leaving a workspace only affects that specific workspace, not your entire Trello account, and you can still use Trello and any personal boards you own after you leave. First, open the Workspace homepage and look for the Members area. This is usually visible in the Workspace header or navigation, alongside items like Boards and Settings. Click Members. This section lists everyone who belongs to the workspace and shows each person's role and status. If you're part of multiple teams, double-check the workspace name to ensure you're adjusting the right one. Next, find your own name in the Members list. On the right side of your row, you'll see the option to leave. Click Leave. This option is specific to your account. It won't remove anyone else, and it won't delete any boards. If you don't immediately see the Leave option, try scrolling or use the search bar on the Members page to find yourself quickly. Also note, leaving a workspace is different from leaving a single board. You're removing your access to the entire set of workspace boards and resources. Finally, a confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm the action. Click Leave Workspace. Once you confirm, you'll be removed right away. You'll lose access to all boards or both forwards, views, and automations tied to that workspace. Any personal boards in your own Trello area remain intact, but boards that belong to the workspace will no longer be visible to you. If you need to return later, you'll have to be re-invited by a workspace admin. A few quick notes to keep things smooth. If you see a message saying you're the only admin, Trello may prevent you from leaving until another member is granted admin access. Coordinate with your team first if that appears. If your account is part of a paid plan, leaving typically frees up your seat for the workspace admins to reassign. And if you owned important boards under that workspace, be sure the right teammates already have access so work continues without disruption. That's it. Click Members, click Leave, then confirm with Leave Workspace. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently manage your Trello Workspace membership.